Are you ready to unlock the secret to achieving all your dreams and goals? Imagine waking up every day feeling unstoppable, knowing the universe is on your side. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to attract success into your life using the powerful law of attraction. Stay tuned, because this might just change your life forever. How to attract success with the law of attraction. What is the law of attraction? The law of attraction is a universal principle that says you attract into your life whatever you focus on. If you think positively, visualize success, and act with purpose, you can manifest anything you desire, whether it's wealth, love, health, or happiness. Think of it as a magnet. Your thoughts and emotions send out signals that the universe responds to. Why most people struggle to attract success. Many people misunderstand the law of attraction. They think just wishing for something is enough. But here's the truth. Your thoughts, emotions, and actions must align. Doubts, fears, and negative beliefs can block your ability to manifest. In this section, I'll explain how to break free from these mental blocks. Step 1. Get clear on what you want. You can't attract success if you don't know what it looks like to you. Take a moment to visualize your dream life. Write down your goals in detail. Be specific. Don't just say, "I want to be successful." Instead, say, "I want to earn $10,000 a month doing work I love." Step 2. Believe in yourself. Self-belief is the foundation of manifestation. If you don't truly believe you're worthy of success, it won't come. Start using affirmations like, "I am worthy of success. I am attracting abundance into my life." Say these every morning to reprogram your mindset. Step 3. Visualize daily. Spend 5 to 10 minutes a day visualizing your goals as if they've already been achieved. Imagine the sights, sounds, and feelings. For example, if your goal is financial freedom, picture yourself traveling the world or enjoying time with your loved ones without worrying about money. Step 4. Take inspired action. The law of attraction doesn't work without effort. The universe opens doors, but you must walk through them. Create a plan to achieve your goals and take consistent steps every day. Remember, small actions lead to big results. Step 5. Practice gratitude. Gratitude raises your vibration, making you more aligned with positive outcomes. Every day, write down 3 things you're grateful for. It could be as simple as a sunny day or a supportive friend. Step 6. Let go and trust the process. Don't obsess over how or when your goals will manifest. Trust the universe's timing. Focus on your work and keep your energy positive. What you seek will find its way to you. 4. Real-life examples of manifesting success. Share stories of famous people who use the law of attraction, such as Jim Carrey writing himself a $10 million check or Oprah Winfrey visualizing her success long before achieving it. These examples show that if they can do it, so can you. 5. Common mistakes and how to avoid them. Focusing on negativity. Stop complaining about what you lack and start focusing on what you want. Lack of patience. Success doesn't happen overnight. Stay consistent. Not taking action. Remember, manifestation is a partnership between you and the universe. 6. A final challenge for you. To wrap up, here's a challenge. Write down 1 goal you want to manifest in the next 30 days. Start following these steps today, and let me know in the comments how it transforms your life. Thank you for watching. Remember, success isn't just about luck, it's about aligning your thoughts, emotions, and actions with your goals. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Let's manifest greatness together. See you in the next video.